Want to change your Roblox username but are not sure where to find the option? The process is simple, but there are a few important things you should know before making the change. To change your Roblox username, sign in into your account and open the account setting. In the account information section, you will find the option to edit your username. Roblox will ask you to confirm the new name before applying the change. Keep in mind that changing your username is not free. Roblox charge a fee in Robux for each username change, so you will need to have enough Robux in your account before you can complete the process. Also, the new username must be available and follow Roblox community guidelines. Before choosing a new name, double check the spelling because you will need to pay the fee again if you decide to change it later. It's also a good idea to pick a username that's easy for friends to recognize, especially if you are built a reputation in games or communities. If the username you want is already taken, try a slight variation by adding numbers or using a different combination of words as long as it meets Roblox naming rules and is not already in use. You should be able to select it. Once the change is complete, your new username will appear across Roblox, while your previous username remain in your account history. Uh, that means the other users can still view your past username if they check your profile. Changing your Roblox username is a quick process as long as you have enough Robux and choose an available name that um, follows the platform rules. If you found this guide helpful, check out our other Roblox tutorials for more simple tips to help you get the most out of your account. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.